This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not encourage, promote, or participate in any form of illegal activity. Viewer discretion is advised. They shut down Silk Road. They dismantled AlphaBay. They even took down Wall Street Market and Hansa. But one marketplace survived. And not just survived, it evolved. Every hour of the day, it operates in silence, buried deep within the dark web. An underground economy powered by encryption, anonymity, and cutting-edge tech. And here's what's truly unsettling. Authorities know it exists. They just can't shut it down. Why? Because this marketplace wasn't built like the others. It was designed to resist takedowns. And it's working. Today, we're investigating the elusive digital network known only by its street name, Nova Market. It's barely known to the public. But inside the cybercrime research community, it has another name, the cockroach of darknet markets. Hard to find, harder to kill. We received a tip in our secure inbox. If you're really exposing cybercrime, investigate Nova. FBI tried, Europol tried. They couldn't even locate the servers. We followed that trail using virtual machines, isolated environments, and open source threat intelligence tools. What we found, a network that doesn't look like a marketplace. It looks like an ecosystem. Imagine something that functions like Amazon, but is completely underground, running through encrypted layers, decentralized storage, and anonymous governance. So, how does something like this stay online? 1. It doesn't rely on a central server. Nova is decentralized. Think, the dark web meets blockchain-style distribution. Instead of a single IP or domain, its infrastructure is split across nodes, making it incredibly difficult to seize or block. It uses protocols like IPFS, which distribute data across a peer-to-peer network. That means no central login page, no admin backend to compromise, no domain name to suspend. It's designed to be resilient, like open-source software, but adaptive for evasion. 2. It uses untraceable cryptocurrency. While earlier dark web markets ran on Bitcoin, Nova operates using privacy-focused coins, most notably Monero. But it doesn't stop there. Security researchers discovered that Nova's transaction system obfuscates wallet movement even further through automated mixing layers, randomized addresses, and cold storage vaults, making traditional blockchain analysis nearly impossible. One expert called it the most advanced obfuscation protocol in the darknet space to date. 3. It's run by a DAO, not a crime boss. There's no founder to arrest, no kingpin. Nova is structured like a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. Vendors earn voting rights. Decisions are made by consensus. Updates roll out anonymously. Think of it like a digital co-op for cybercrime. That governance model makes takedowns complicated. It's like trying to shut down Bitcoin by arresting one miner. It doesn't work. 4. Its marketplace tech is elite. We access a demo through a researcher's simulation environment. The platform was eerily professional. Intuitive UI, reputation systems, 24/7 encrypted support, escrow transactions and dispute resolution. This is an amateur hour. This is enterprise-grade infrastructure, but being used for illegal purposes. Even more disturbing, vendors appear to be experimenting with AI-generated content, including synthetic identities and deepfake avatars to build trust with buyers. 5. It keeps mutating. According to multiple cybersecurity researchers, Nova adapts faster than law enforcement can track. Listings constantly shift. Aliases rotate weekly. Pseudonymous devs update code via hidden repos. Every time a crackdown happens, the market doesn't disappear. It changes form. One former threat analyst told us, it's not a cat and mouse game anymore. Nova is malware that sells itself and keeps learning. 6. It's recruiting. What makes Nova even more unsettling is its educational arm, a private knowledge base circulating through invite-only forums. We reviewed a leaked PDF tutorial, over 70 pages, fully illustrated, translated in 4+ languages. It walks newcomers through setting up secure wallets, evading surveillance, and anonymizing digital identities. Yes, cybercrime now has a training manual. So why does this matter to you? Because you don't have to be on the dark web to be affected. Nova's vendors specialize in compromised credentials from real data breaches, phishing kits that impersonate major platforms, voice cloning tools used in impersonation scams, fake verification systems used to extract sensitive data. The tools being sold and shared on Nova are making their way into everyday scams, ransomware campaigns, and digital fraud. You might never visit the dark web, but the dark web may already know you. Locked with Key, how to protect yourself. If you're watching this, take these steps seriously. 1. Enable multi-factor authentication on all critical accounts. 2. Use password managers and avoid reusing login credentials. 3. Watch out for AI-enhanced phishing attempts. These are getting harder to spot. 4. If you're in cybersecurity, study the architecture of these marketplaces. It's influencing how digital crime evolves. Final thoughts. What Nova represents isn't just a hidden website. It's a case study in how decentralized tech can be repurposed for illegal activity. And while platforms like Nova are built to avoid detection, we believe knowledge is our strongest defense. That's why Agent Exposed Files exists, to investigate and report these stories, not to glamorize, but to inform. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe. We'll be exploring how cybercriminals are now using AI-generated avatars, deepfake testimonials, and NFTs to build trust in black market storefronts. Stay aware, stay secure, stay private, and never trust easy money. This is Agent Exposed Files, signing out.